What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a balloon fish on the pole. Alright guys, welcome back to the School of Balloons. I'm so excited to show you that tutorial today. And before we do, I just want to say hello, my name is Joey, and if you want more great videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, because we're here to teach you how to start and grow profitable balloon twisting businesses. Because I really believe that you guys deserve the accountability, training, and support that I didn't have when I first started. So let's go ahead and get right into that tutorial, and that is the fish on the pole. Let's do it.
So for the fish on the pole, you can use 3 2/60s, any color you want, and then one 5-inch white round. Blow those up, and the first one, which is the fish body, is going to have somewhere around 4 fingers lengths left. The pole is going to have a little bit extra there, and then you have one uninflated balloon, any color for the string. And this is going to be the eyeballs, the 5-inch white round. Alright, let's get started on the fish on the pole. Grab that fish body, whatever color you chose, and we're going to start on that end. So I'm going to make one loop twist there, and that's about 4 fingers lengths. Twist that around and then push that nub through a couple times to lock it in. And then squeeze up ahead of the balloon there, and make a second loop twist that's the same exact size. Twist that around a couple times. Should look like that. And then this is the length of the fish. So it's going to be somewhere around 6 to 7 fingers lengths. Make a second bubble the same exact size, and then twist that around by those 2 loop twists. And then bring that back up. You want to squeeze a little bit there. And then just twist so it's the same exact size as those other ones. And then you're actually going to push that through the middle. So if you can see how I do that, pull and then push with your thumbs through. And that's what creates a fish body. And it's also called a bird body in balloon twisting lingo. But for this, it's a fish. All right, so do a 1-inch bubble and then pinch twist that. And then make a second one exactly the same size. Twist that around, and then you can actually twist those 2 all at once to do one big pinch twist. Bring that around a couple times, and then I like to secure it in just like that, and then we don't need that extra piece there, so twist that and then just give it a nice tug. And that one you can just let go and the air is not going to come out, which is nice. Alright, grab that 5-inch white round, and then so you're going to grab right in the center there on one side. Try to get both sides even, and then go ahead and give it a nice twist, and you can squeeze as you do it. So if you need to push air one side to the other to make it nice and even, once you're there, grab that middle nub and then bring it all the way around a couple times to lock it in. So the goal is to get 2 eyeballs that are the same size. Little tricky at first, but you guys can get it. All right, go ahead and push that in to one of those 3 bubbles we made. So 2 sit on the bottom and then 1 sit on the top. All right, grab that 3rd balloon that's uninflated, and you're just gonna basically tie it right in to the lips. Alright, grab your 4th balloon. In this case, I use the dark blue. You can use whatever you want. There's a little bit left over there. And you're just going to use that little extra to tie it to the end of our fishing line. So just tie it off. Alright, so now we just have one last thing to do, and we're going to make the handle of the fishing pole. So you just twist up however far you want to make that handle. Maybe like 6 or 7 fingers lengths. Maybe a little less if it's for a little kid. And then you're going to do a loop twist next. And that's somewhere around 5 fingers lengths is fine. And then just make a second loop twist that matches the same size. You can do that by eye. And then you just twist those right into that middle crease there. bring it around to adjust it, and there you have the handle of the fishing pole. All right, so I'm going to grab my Sharpie here and then just draw some simple eyes. You guys can get fancy if you want to, but I just do simple circles, fill in those pupils a little bit, and then some eyebrows. Honestly, I just do the same thing on all my balloons. All right, so you guys just made the fish on the fishing pole. It's seriously one of my most popular balloons, so you're gonna have fun with that one. I guarantee it.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. That is one of my favorite balloons. It's always a hit with the kids at parties that I do. And like I said before, we're all about helping you guys learn how to make money with this, how to start a business, how to continue to grow and scale your balloon twisting business. So if you want more great videos like this, go ahead and subscribe below. Don't be shy, just go ahead and hit that button. And you can also go to our website to get a ton of great free resources that will help you make money with this great skill. And that's schoolballoons.com. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you later.